How to join multiplayer in Need for Speed. If you are ready to join online player, here is how to join multiplayer in Need for Speed right on your phone. Let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. At first, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Multiplayer needs an internet connection. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the multiplayer, PvP or versus tab depending on your game version. That's not available in my version, so it might be on yours. You just have to pick a mode like ranked, quick race or live opponent. Each will match you with a real player. Pick your best turn car for race. Make sure it meets the class or level required for that mode. The game will now search for players. Once a match is found, get ready to race. And that's how you join multiplayer in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.